Hey friends, if your Windows mouse clicks twice automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to review the double click settings, and this will help you in 90% of the cases. So open the File Explorer window, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select options. Now there is an option here which says single click to open an item. If this is selected, then it is very definite that the mouse will act as if it clicked twice even if you clicked on it once. So you need to make sure that it is selected at the second option, which is double click to open an item, single click to select. Okay, this will fix the problem in 90% of the cases. If not, then you need to change the mouse settings. Now I'll explain how. So search for mouse in the window search bar and open mouse settings, and then click on additional mouse settings. In the buttons tab, which is the default tab, make sure that it is a little more than medium, I mean the speed, because if you keep it at slow, then it means that Windows will keep that double click option open for more time. So even if you click on it after a while, it will register it as a double click, right? And if you keep it at very fast, then Windows won't give you much time to register the double click. Like, it has to be instantaneous. So it's better to keep it a little higher than medium. That's what I keep it at. Click on apply and then on OK for the settings. After this, you can update the mouse drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first set of drivers and update them. Right click on the second set of drivers and update them. And the last one is obviously to clean the mouse so that there is no dust inside the mouse. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.